Hello, I'm Jamie Costello with your WMAR 2 News Update. The number of COVID-19 cases in our state continues to go up. 2 police officers with the Baltimore County Police Department have tested positive. The department is now trying to figure out who those employees came into contact with while they were working. And there's also a positive case of the virus at the Oak Crest Senior Living Community in Parkville. The person is a resident who is now receiving treatment, and a second resident at Pleasant View Nursing Home in Mount Airy has died. Officials say he was over 80 years old with an underlying medical condition. And the governor has issued a stay-at-home order. He says too many of us were not paying close enough attention to social distancing guidelines, and the number of COVID-19 cases in the state jumped dramatically over the past couple of days.
We are no longer asking or suggesting that Marylanders stay home. We are directing them to do so. So you should be able to get outside for your own physical and mental well-being and go for a walk and take your dog for a walk. You should not be going out with a crowd of 100 people congregating at a park somewhere.
Now, the governor is also telling anybody who traveled outside the state recently to self-quarantine for 14 days. And there are a few things you can still do under this stay-at-home order. People who are considered essential employees can still go to work. That includes healthcare workers, first responders, pharmacists, grocery store workers, and journalists. You can also leave your home for essential activities like going to the grocery store, visiting a doctor, or picking up a prescription. And while public schools are closed, WMAR2 is working for you with our most accurate weather team as they are here to help with some science lessons. There are now 6 episodes. The most recent episode is about strong storms called Downburst. You and your kids can watch all the episodes we've done so far on our website or on our YouTube channel. If you have a weather lesson for us to explore, send an email to us, storyideas@WMAR.com.
No downburst in the forecast for tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies, but we will see the potential for a couple of showers to move through in the afternoon and the early evening. The good news, not a whole lot of moisture there. Shouldn't be enough to interrupt many of your plans. Just have the umbrella on standby. We'll be cooler, though, almost 20 degrees cooler than the numbers that we reached today. Barely getting into the low to mid 50s. We'll get a 54 at the Harbor in Chestertown, 55 in Annapolis and Easton, 52 in Elkton. And we're almost going to do a carbon copy of that as we push towards Wednesday. A little bit drier with just an isolated shower possible. And then sunny skies to finish off the work week in the low 60s. Into the weekend, we're dry, 61 on Saturday, a little bit warmer on Sunday. Rain chances returning as we head into next Monday.
All right, Patrick Click with us online at WMAR2news.com for updates on top stories and breaking news. Also for news and weather while you're out there on the go, download the WMAR2 News app in the App Store. You can watch live radar and get breaking news sent right to your phone. Thanks for watching. I'm Jamie Costello.
This WMAR2 News Update is sponsored by Jones Junction,